Hello and welcome to Ram Foundation. The new student portal will help you view and sign up for all the courses offered by Ram Foundation and keep track of all your information in one place. The next time you need to sign up for a course, it is going to be very quick and easy without having to re-enter all your information again. Once you are in the Ram Foundation student portal, you will see two options, either to sign in or sign up. But since this is the first time you are entering all your details, click on the button which says sign up. It will then take you to the register page where you enter all the details that are required, including the first name, last name, the email ID and the mobile number, and click on the register button. You should soon receive an email from Ram Foundation in order to complete the registration process. If you do not see the email within 5 minutes in your inbox, please check the promotions, update, spam, important folders or other folders depending on your email service provider. Once you see the email, click on the link provided. When you click the link, it will take you to a page where you will be asked to set your password. Your password has to be at least 8 characters long with a mix of capital and small letters, numbers, and special characters. Next, enter the email you used for registration and the password you have chosen and sign in to the system. Once you sign in, you will now be taken to your dashboard page. Before you register for any of the courses, make sure you first have uploaded all the documents and certificates that you may be required to submit for the course that you are registering for. To upload your documents, click on the Documents button on the left hand panel, which is highlighted. Click on the link which says click here to add a new document. Enter all the required details such as the course name and the document name. Do not forget to choose the file from your system and then click Add Document. If there are any course-specific submissions, like for example the algebra and the exploratory test for Epsilon, please upload them here. You can also upload any other certificates that you have over here. You can now see all your documents and certificates that you can now use to upload for any course when you are registering here. It's now time to register for a course. Go to the dashboard place and click on Upcoming Courses. Select the course you would like to register for by clicking View Details. Go through each section carefully, enter all the details and click Save and Next. After completing personal student details, enter the residential details, followed by the academic details and then the parent details. The course registration screen is where you will enter details specific to the course that you are applying to. It has some important features. The space provided for teacher recommendations allows you to enter an email ID. Enter the email ID of the teacher who is willing to provide a recommendation letter for you. Note that you have to type an email in the text box provided and press enter. You can enter up to 2 emails. Once you submit your application, an email will be sent to your teacher automatically. Your teacher will need to follow the instructions in the email to submit a recommendation for you. Make sure to follow up with your teacher to ensure that they submit the recommendation within a week of receiving the email from us. A recommendation letter from your teacher is not mandatory, but it increases the chances of your selection. Select all the necessary documents and certificates you want to select and submit for this course by clicking on the Documents text box. You will see the list of documents that you had uploaded in the My Documents page earlier. You can select multiple documents that you want to submit for this course. Make sure you upload and select only relevant documents. Certificates received in the last 2 to 3 years and winning certificates will help with your application. Please do not submit documents more than 3 years old or participation certificates unless you think it will add value to your application. Fill all the other details required and move on to the next screen. If you are applying for Epsilon Camp, your submission is now complete and your application is under review. The academic team will review your application, and if your application is selected, you will then receive an email from us. Once you have received an email from us saying that your application has been selected, you can now log into the system. Go to the dashboard page and click on Pay Now to finish paying for the course fee. Please remember to not close the payment page. Once the process is complete, once the payment has been completed, the page will refresh and the course status will be updated to enrolled. So please do not close the page once you complete the payment. You are now enrolled for the course. If you are applying for RAMTP, once you have entered all the details, you then have to pay the application fee. Again, it is very important that you do not close the payment page. You will now see the payment and application status updated in the My Courses page. Your process is now complete. Your application will be reviewed by the RAM Foundation team, and if you are selected, you will receive an email. The course status will then change to enrolled if you are selected for the course. Remember to follow up with your teacher to ensure they submit the recommendation. Thank you and best wishes.